Hi, boys and girls. It's good to see you. I'm here with your Flex 15 for today. It is called the 5-Number Challenge. Now, the 5-Number Challenge uses a few math concepts we have to review quickly, which are the concepts of consecutive and whole numbers. Whole numbers are just any numbers that don't contain partial numbers, so no fractions or decimals. So we're only working with whole numbers. And consecutive means numbers that go in order. So for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are consecutive numbers. They come one after the other. Other consecutive numbers would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So any 5 numbers that come in order. So we're working with these 5 consecutive numbers just to get started. So I'm going to take these 5 consecutive numbers and I'm going to fill them into these boxes. I'm just going to start in any order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what your challenge is to make the horizontal sum of these 3 digits. The sum is the answer to an addition equation. So sum just means answer to an addition sentence. And the sum of the vertical numbers, the numbers that go up and down, to be the same answer as here. So these 2 answers need to be the same. So if we look here, I'm going to add up my horizontal, my numbers that go across. 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to keep counting on up 4 more, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm going to add up my numbers that go down vertically. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Clearly, these do not add up to the same sum. So this does not work. So this is no good. I want to try a different combination. Maybe I'll start with a different number in the center. Maybe I'll start with 1 in the center. All right, and then I'm just going to set my numbers up around it. I'm going to put 5 here, maybe 4 over here, 3 over here, and 2 over here. Okay, now I'm going to add up my vertical and horizontal sums. So vertically, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then horizontally, 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so I found one combination that works with 1 in the middle. Both of my sums equal up to 8. So that is a correct answer to the challenge. Now I wonder if there's any other ways that we can organize these 5 numbers so that we also get equal sums in both places. So this time I'm going to try a different number in the center, unless there's some other way that I can put these up so that 1 still works in the middle. If I put 1, 5, and 3, and 4 and 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. I don't think that there's another one that will work with 1 in the center, but you could keep trying and see. So I'm going to try a different number in the center. I'm going to try 3 in the center. So this time I'm going to try 3 and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, nope, not 3, sorry, 4 and 5 around it. Okay, so let's add up our horizontal and vertical sums. 5 plus 3 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so that didn't work. These do not have the same answers. But I do notice I just have, this is a little bit big. Oh, which one was bigger? This one was a little bigger, this one's a little smaller. So maybe I'll just switch out my 5 and my 4. And now let me add them up. 4 plus 3 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 5 equals 9. There you go. With 3 in the center, I found another combination that works. I wonder if you can find any combinations with 4 or 5 in the center that work. Give it a try. Then, when you go over to the worksheet, I've given you some other combinations of numbers. I think I gave you 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or maybe 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I forget. But over on the worksheet, I've given you some numbers that you're going to try to find at least 3 combinations for. And then a set of 5 other consecutive numbers to try at least 3 organizations that work, where the sums are equal. Then I want you to look and see if you see any patterns. And if you see some patterns, could you then make a conjecture, a good mathematical guess, as to how to predict other consecutive groups of 5 numbers to see how you might organize them without actually having to get out a calculator and add up 1,455 plus 1,156 or whatever, the 556. Is there a way that you could figure out how they would get set up without having to actually add them? Can you make a conjecture? I can't wait to see your results. Just show them to me on the doc that I've attached, or you can do it on a whiteboard or a paper, take a picture and put it in for me, do a video and explain your answers, however you can best share your answers with me. Have fun.